This video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new adware that is called AnySearchService. AnySearchService stands for a new adware type application. This adware attacks Google Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. AnySearchService adware, once installed, starts periodically displaying pretty intrusive advertisements. These ads are definitely not related to the sites that you actually visit. If this AnySearchService adware was found on your computer somehow, take your time and get rid of this adware as soon as you can. Otherwise, it will just keep disturbing you greatly with multiple ads. To remove this adware, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you research the computer additionally with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com. Use the green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software, and once it gets installed, start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and remove other infections from your system. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.